Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. This is Di Shang. Uh, I'm very sorry. I did not have a vlog for a while because I'm so busy at my work and at the house doing some household chores. And this morning, I'm going out and I'm gonna show you uh, all the snow. It's oh my god. Well, I'll show you around my neighborhood, and there's a lot of snow. This is the after the snowstorm yesterday. It was very uh, you know uh, it's too much snow, and the road is clean, but look at our neighborhood. I'll show you. Okay, guys, this is our neighborhood after the snowstorm yesterday, and look. Okay, look at our pathway. Holy gee, look at my neighbor. Look at that snow over there. Okay, look at that. Ooh, I hope I can get out. I think I have to clean that. Look at our neighbor. Whoa, a lot of snow. Whew. I'm 38 years in Canada, in Toronto, but this is my first time to see this much snow. There's my neighbor cleaning. Look, it's a cleanup. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Look at this. Very beautiful. 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 White. It's all white. This is my neighborhood. Look at that. Mountain of snow. Wow. Look at the front of our house. Cold. Okay, I'm home. Okay, guys, this is my neighborhood around going the blocks while I'm just going out to do some groceries, and just to get out in the house. Look at that. Oh wow. This is a lot of snow. I don't know how many centimeters. They said 40. Okay guys, this is the main street. This is York Mills Road, and I'm going to a Korean grocery store. Well, the road is not it's not very clean, but you know, it needs more cleaning, so in order to be safe, especially those cars that doesn't have snow tires. So okay, this is going to the Korean grocery, and that is the buffet. That's a famous buffet here in York Mills. That's a Dragon Pearl. Look at that snow. Okay guys, this is Korean grocery galleria. We have to find a parking. Okie doke. Slippery. Okay guys, this is Galleria Supermarket. I can smell the food. Smells good. Maybe I'm gonna have a Korean food today. Okay, guys. Green. Ooh, I like this. Maybe I'll get one of this. That's good. I'll check the good one. Okay, I'll get one. All the fruits. Vegetables. What I'm gonna cook today, I wanna cook pork bones with tamarind powder called sinigang. Look at this kimchi. Lots of kimchi. Okay guys, let's go this way. What they have here. Let's go and check the pork bones. These are the frozen, I don't know. It's a frozen rice cake. Those are good to make a soup. Like a, I don't know. We'll see. Yes. Oh, it's a udon, I think. Black bean sauce. Jangkang noodles. I don't know, maybe I'll buy Okay, this is the Korean grocery store. It's the oxtail. expensive. Oxtail. What's this? Sea bass. Wow. Octopus. Sashimi. This is the frozen fish. Shrimps. What is this? Monkfish. Wow. Abalone. Fish. It's good for sinigang. Look at that. What are this? Pea walnut cake. The food court.
Chicken today? I like chicken. Arachi chicken. Savor the perfect balance of spicy and crispy with our signature Arachi chili and soy fried chicken and basa fried chicken. We only use the cleanest oil, and the secret? It's our specially crafted sauce that makes every bite unforgettable.
This is a very good fish. It's a turbot. But it's expensive. But this is very good, very good fish. I'm just gonna get one of this. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm done in that Korean grocery. I bought some food to eat. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go to buy a bagel. Okie dokie. I think I put too much lipstick. Okie doke. We're just gonna buy a bagel. And what a bagel. Okay, guys, I'm almost home. I'm hungry. Let's try the Korean food. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm home, so please like and subscribe my channel, Di Shang Babu. Thank you.